Here's how to fix AirDrop not working on your iPhone. First, open your settings and tap on Wi-Fi. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. To reset your connection, turn off Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on to reconnect. Next, go back and do the same for Bluetooth, as AirDrop relies on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off, wait a few moments, and then toggle it back on. Now, scroll down and tap on General. Under General, tap on AirDrop. If it's set to receiving off, this will disable AirDrop. So make sure to change it to either contacts only or everyone for 10 minutes, depending on your preference. At the bottom, you'll see an option to enable cellular data for AirDrop if Wi-Fi is unavailable. I recommend turning this on as well. Once those settings are configured, try again by going into Photos or the app you want to share from. Tap the share icon and select AirDrop to send your photo or file. If that doesn't work, go back into Settings, scroll down and tap Shutdown. Sometimes simply restarting your phone can resolve bugs or glitches that affect AirDrop. I hope this helps. If it did, please hit the subscribe button below. It really helps out the channel. Thanks for watching.